Good news for fans who waiting for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. The company is going to launch this stunning premium smartphone in the market in just a few hours. Xiaomi's this latest flagship smartphone is going to give the South Korean tech giant Samsung a tough time. Why? Because Xiaomi is offering a 200 megapixel periscope camera and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset in this premium smartphone, all at half the price of the S25 Ultra. If you're also planning to buy this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible premium device. So, let's get started. Features of Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Display. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra smartphone boasts a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display, with a crisp 2K resolution, delivering vibrant visuals and sharp details. The screen supports a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring an ultra-responsive and seamless experience. Adding to its premium features, the phone includes an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for secure and lightning-fast unlocking. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it resistant to both water and dust, so you can confidently take it on all your adventures without a worry. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, this smartphone is a game-changer. It even outshines the iPhone. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a quad rear camera setup, including a 50 megapixel main sensor, a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel periscope sensor, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens. It supports up to 4.3x optical zoom, ensuring you capture every detail with precision. For selfies, the phone is equipped with a 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, this flagship smartphone is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful mobile chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which can clock speeds of up to 4.32 GHz. For graphics, it features the Adreno 830 GPU. The device also supports LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage technology. On the software front, it runs on the latest Android 15, offering a seamless and futuristic user experience. Battery backup. For power backup, this Xiaomi phone comes with a powerful 6000 mAh battery. Along with this, the smartphone features 90-watt fast wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and a USB Type-C 3.2 port. Price and launch date. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to launch in China on February 28. Following that, Xiaomi will unveil the device globally at the Mobile World Congress (MWC) 2025. In European markets, the price is expected to be around €1,500, making it a highly competitive option in the premium smartphone segment.